Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Wise bank account. All right. To set up a Wise bank account, just go ahead over to wise.com or go ahead and download the Wise app from your Play Store or App Store. Okay. Once that's done, you're going to want to register with your email or social media account. I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to go ahead and log out. All right. And here under wise.com, just click on sign up at the top right. Just click on it. Now, again, you can go ahead and use your Gmail, your Facebook, or Apple ID. All right. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and use Gmail right here. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, it will ask you what kind of account would you like to open today. It can be a business account or personal account. Okay. So for this example, I'm just going to be using personal account like so. And then it will ask you, where do you live most of the time? I'm going to go ahead and select my region, which is Philippines right here. And then I'm going to hit on continue. Now, as you can see here, it says what you can do with Wise in your region. Okay. Yours might be different right here, but as you can see here, the Philippines, I'll be able to send money abroad from 32 currencies to 50 currencies. Hold to convert, receive money, and spend abroad with a card. Luckily, I do have my Wise card. And if you want me to create a video on how to get your own Wise card, you can go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Okay, so once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and click on continue. Now it will ask you to verify your phone number with a code. So go ahead and select the correct country code if it's not set up right here. Okay, and once done, just go ahead and type down your number. All right, you will receive a verification code from your phone. Go ahead and put that after this page. Okay, and once done, it will ask you to provide your country of residence. You can go ahead and enter your legal name, date of birth, and home address, as this information will be used for verification. Okay, and after that, you have your Wise account. All right, just wait for your Wise account to load, and once done, you should have the same exact page. Okay. After that, Wise right here will give you a notification that you need to verify your account. Okay. So just basically click on that pop-up as it is needed to unlock all features, especially for sending money or getting account details. Now just follow simple prompts. It will need you to upload a photo of your government issued ID and potentially taking a selfie. Okay. I remembered I've uploaded my driver's license and a scan of my face. Okay. And once that's done, or once you're verified, you can now then go out and fund your account by adding money by bank transfer, card, or other options. Now, if you're from the Philippines, you can directly send money from GCash or from any of your bank accounts to Wise. Okay. Again, if you want me to create that video, just do let me know in the comments below. And there you have it. That is basically how you create or set up a Wise bank account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.